You are watching part 3 of the full series of Maven Build tool interview questions. These are the 5 questions we are going to discuss in this session. What is a Maven repository? What are the different types of Maven repositories? How does Maven Architecture work? What is Maven Build Lifecycle? What are the different phases in the Maven Build Lifecycle? First question, what is a Maven repository? Maven repositories refer to the directories of package jar files that contain metadata. The metadata refers to the POM files relevant to each project. This metadata is what allows Maven to download dependencies. Second question, what are the different types of Maven repositories? There are 3 types of Maven repositories. 1. Local repository. Local repository refers to the machine of the developer where all the project material is saved. The local repository contains all the dependency jars. 2. Remote repository. The remote repository refers to the repository present on a server that is used when Maven needs to download dependencies. Whenever anything is required from the remote repository, it is first downloaded to the local repository, and then it is used. 3. Central repository. Central repository refers to the Maven community that comes into action when there is a need for dependencies, and those dependencies cannot be found in the local repository. Maven downloads the dependencies from here in the local repository whenever needed. Third question, how does Maven Architecture work? Maven Architecture works in 3 steps, which are as follows. The first step is to read the pom.xml file. Then, it downloads the dependencies defined in pom.xml into the local repository from the central repository. Lastly, it creates and generates a report according to the requirements and executes life cycles, phases, goals, plugins, etc. Next question, what is Maven Build Lifecycle? Maven Lifecycle is a collection of steps that are to be followed to build a project. There are 3 build and build lifecycles. First, default, handles project deployment. Second, clean, handles project cleaning. Third, site, handles the creation of the project site's documentation. Next question, what are the different phases in the Maven Build Lifecycle? Build Lifecycle has different build phases or stages, which you can see here. Compile, test, package, integration test, verify, install, deploy. Quiz time. Let's see if you get it correct. Please post your answer in the comments section. Hope you have learned something and feel confident to answer the questions we discussed so far. Here's the list of questions that will be discussed in the next session. If you have any specific questions related to this topic, please mention it in the comments section and we will answer it for you. Please check out our playlist for more questions and subscribe our channel for updates and notifications. Good luck for your upcoming interviews. We believe in turning interviews into milestones.